In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sort function in Google Sheets. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along easily. Even if you are new to spreadsheets, the sort function is a quick way to organize data automatically, and it can save you a lot of time compared to sorting things manually. To begin, open Google Sheets and go to the sheet where you want to work. If you are starting from scratch, that's perfectly fine. Once you are in your spreadsheet, enter the values for column A and column B. These can be any sample values you want to practice with. For example, you might have names, categories, numbers, or scores. The important thing is that your data is arranged in 2 columns so you can clearly see how the sorting works. After your values are in place, click on any empty cell where you want the sorted results to appear. Make sure you choose a cell with enough space below and to the side, because the sort function will return a full range of results, not just a single value. If T here is already data in the output area, the formula may not display properly. Now type the formula exactly like this. Equals sort open parenthesis, a 2:B10, 2, -1 close parenthesis. In standard spreadsheet format, that is written as is equals to sort open bracket. A 2B10, 2, 1 closed bracket. Here is what that formula is doing. A 2B10 tells Google Sheets which range of data to sort. The number 2 means the sorting should be based on the second column in that selected range, which is column B, and the -1 tells Google Sheets to sort in descending order, which means larger values or later entries will appear first. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter. Google Sheets will instantly display a sorted version of your data. One helpful thing to remember is that this method does not rearrange your original table directly. Instead, it creates a sorted output in the location where you entered the formula. That makes it great for keeping your original data unchanged, while still viewing it in a more organized way. If your results don't look right, double-check the range you selected and make sure your data actually fills those cells. Small errors in the range or formula can affect the output. That's how to use the sort function in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.